So how are organizations using big data today? Some of you may be familiar with IBM's supercomputer called Watson. On February 14th, Watson won a game show called Jeopardy, beating human opponents. And this supercomputer was built on big data technology. There was Hadoop underneath, and this computer was, by the way, it was not online, so it was not like it's searching for information on Google and providing response or anything like that. This was offline. The computer was fed millions of pages of information on all possible topics, because this game show is like that. It can be, the question can be from any topic. And this computer was trained to process all that information, and that is all unstructured information, unstructured data, text files. And this was trained to analyze this information, process that information, and then process the questions, and then formulate the answers, and all that in split second. And this wouldn't have been possible without big data technology. So that is one very good example. And by the way, this was not just done as a research project or just for fun. This is being commercialized. It has commercial uses, and IBM has mentioned that they have signed up with a healthcare company to actually come up with a healthcare solution using Watson. So this is one very good example, but there are other examples as well where big data is either being used or there is a huge possibility to use pretty much across all industries. IT infrastructure optimization. You need to protect your network. You need to detect any intrusion that is happening. The way to do is analyze all your log files and identify if there are any anomalies. Traffic flow optimization, smart meter monitoring, fraud detection, and of course churn analysis, most of you are familiar with, which is common in telecom industry. So all the data, telecom data, huge volume needs to be processed to analyze churn or predict churn and so on. Weather forecasting. So there are several possibilities where big data is being used and can be used. So these are some generic examples. A few more, a little more specific examples. What business problems